Alexa, show Wyze 3.
Okay.
Hello guys, let's talk today about how to add the Wyze camera to the Alexa app. It's very simple. The first thing that I have to do is to check that the Wyze camera is working. Here I see my Wyze working with my app, so pretty good. First step, it's okay. And then you come here and open the Alexa app. Go to More and Skills and Games. Okay, so basically you need to add a skill to Alexa. So here we go. Just look for Wyze. That's the one. Click here. And now you need to link your account. Here I have my account already linked. So I have the message here that it expired and that need to link again. Okay. So for you, you're not gonna see this message if it is the first time you're doing this. You already need to have a Wyze account, as I do here because I have the app working. So I just click here, enable to use. And now I'm gonna need to link my account. So I'm gonna enter my email and password here. Here we go. I have my email and password. Just click login and accept the terms. And the account is linked. So I got a message here. It's now linked. I just close it here. Account permissions. So I just save the permissions. And now Alexa is looking for the device to connect to, my network. As you can see, 4 devices were added to the account. I just click next. And here I have all the devices that Alexa found. The cameras are here, Wyze 2 and Wyze 3. I just named them like this, okay? But you can name the way you want. And here you just need to select the device and set it up, right? You're gonna come here and put on a group. For example, here office, add to a group. And it was added to this group, okay? So it's ready to use. You can do this with the other device as well. Let me just do this with this one as well. Everything here comes to the office. And if you have like a bulb, you need to also configure the bulb. I'm not going to do this right now. And the other camera as well, to the office, add to the group. And I'm almost done. One more. Add to the group later. And all set, okay? So now I have all the devices added via Alexa. Here when I come to office, that's my group. I can see here my Alexa dot. I can see here plugs and cameras. For example, Wyze 1 and Wyze 2. Then you need to name your camera the way you want. For example, office or front door. So when you talk to Alexa, Alexa can respond and show you the camera, okay? Then you need a device like Alexa Echo Show, for example, or the FireStick. When you talk to Alexa, it can display the image on your screen or device that has any monitor, right? Alexa, show Wyze 3.
Okay.
Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.